Hi, hello, namaskara. Welcome back my YouTube fellow friends for one more unboxing video. So let's get started. So today I have one crazy unboxing video for you people. So after long wait from past 1 year,
one eternity later,
I guess 10 to 12 months of controversies between Kanye West and Adidas, today finally they launched their Yeezy lineup and it was a shocking drop. They dropped each article every day. Just got one Yeezys. That's one of my favorite, which I wanted from long time. Just placed an order. Finally I got the hands on Adidas Yeezy 450.
Oh my god! Wow!
This is a normal cardboard box. So let me show you the 360 view of the box. Okay, here it tells Yeezy 450 stone teal colorway and the cost is like 22,001 rupee less. Country of origin is Germany and manufactured in July 2022 guys. This was set to release in September 2022 but it took almost like 7 to 8 months to release. And that's all guys. This is UK 9. So all the details you guys can check it over here. Okay, let me show you what we get inside this box. Okay, so we get the butter paper which tells made in Germany. And wow guys, I was in a speculation that I won't like the colorway when I ordered this, but this looks cool guys. This is the grayish and it tells stone teal color. It looks crazy guys. I love this thing. My first Yeezy's 450, and because why did I bought this? Because I love this design guys, this skeleton design. I love it. And we have a socks like structure and this midsole is interlocked or sealed with this socks, and we have a hardened rubber sole over here. Let me give you the 360 view of both the sneakers.
I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away.
Let me talk about the sizing of the sneaker. My true size is UK 8 but I have ordered UK 9 because the website Adidas was telling me it's a little bit not true to the size, so order at least one size up. So I just ordered UK 9. So it fits perfectly guys. I have my toe is here. Okay, my toe is here and here. I have almost like half an inch gap. So and that's good actually. That's good for the thing because my feet are very wide, so it fits absolutely perfect. I don't feel much harder, a little bit soft, feels very good, looks fab guys. Okay guys, so that's how the sneaker looks on my feet. I love this sneaker guys and I love this colorway. Being a first Yeezy 450, I am in love with this guys. I was been waiting for a long time to add up this into my collection and I love the smell, a kind of clothy smell. I like it, not much And this is how the guys, okay guys, the short unboxing and review of this Yeezys 450 stone teal. If you guys love this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Please do share my videos and be part of my family by subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So rather, let's catch up in another video. Till then, bye bye, take care, lots of love, signing out, your Brody.